Alright, before we continue to the video, let me tell you what's happening. We will be buying this domain in Namecheap. Gonna take a quick look at the dashboard and where to configure the DNS records and take a look at the overall process. Let's go.
Jungle Python, JavaScript, tutorials, but Jamie, this is so loud.
What the fuck, HTML?
There's only C.
Today, let's take a look on how to purchase, how to register a domain name. I'm going to be using Namecheap. You have multiple services that will do this for you, multiple companies like Google, Amazon, Cloudflare, HostGator, GoDaddy. It's a matter of picking one. And I've got this one that I want to buy, yahiba.com. And this is the price. Okay, it's going to cost me about 10 euros per year. Now keep in mind, some domains can be really expensive. Let's try something. How expensive they can become. I was looking for this one before and just look at it. Almost 7,000 euros for a domain. And some really get expensive. Hair.com. Most of them are taken, by the way. Yeah. Hair.com registered in 1994. But I've seen domains before costing like 200,000 euros, so don't get shocked. Anyway, if it's not a popular name, chances are you're gonna get away with a fair price. So let's continue to the checkout. And yeah, I have never used Namecheap before, so we're doing this for the first time. I don't want the web hosting. I don't want the email, no WordPress, no SEO, no SSL, no premium DNS, AI. Wow. Let's just carry on. Okay, I don't have an account. Let's create one. Oh, can I skip this for now? Not really. So, yeah, web developer. Domain privacy service that you Yep. Well, let's just carry on. Perfect. Yep. Wow, look at this PayPal button. Just look at that. Continue to review order. Let's see how have they organized this checkout at Namecheap. Functional so far. A lot of details, but fair enough. Okay. We are processing your order. Download receipt. Sure. I'll save that. Okay, now we have a domain. Let's go to the dashboard and see what we can do with it. It's here, $12, well, $13 per year. And somewhere in here, we will need to configure like the domains. So let's just look for that. Na, 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 na. Okay. Uh, what I'm looking for right now is how to configure the DNS records. Advanced DNS. Okay. Add new record. So this is where we manage in advanced DNS. So domain list, advanced DNS. Nice. Let's take a look on what happens. Yahiba.com. Nothing there yet. Okay, guys, it's simple enough. Took us like 15 minutes in general, no rushes, and there you go. Buying a domain with Namecheap.